Alright guys, so what is going on? Today we've got the ZZ Performance LTG motor downpipe that we're going to be installing. These guys over at ZZP, pretty cool guys, you know, they hooked me up with this. They liked the last review that we did, so we're going to go ahead and put this on the Camaro and see what it does. Alright guys, so we have the bottom completely disassembled. I went ahead and took the heat shield off the top already. I had to go put some shorts on because it is hot. I'm in Tennessee and it's like 70 degrees, but man, when you're working it gets really hot. So I put some shorts on. I'm gonna dig back in here, get the top off, and then we'll be able to pull the stock downpipe out, and then we'll go ahead and install the new one. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, so we have finally gotten the stock downpipe completely out. So here it is. This is what the stock one looks like. So this downpipe from ZZ Performance, we are going to reuse the stock seal that comes on it. So I've already taken that off and put it on the new one. So just a heads up, if you guys are planning to do this, you are going to need to use that stock seal. But anyway, this is the stock downpipe. So let's go ahead and put the new one on. Let's do it. Alright, so we have completed the install of the ZZ Performance downpipe on the 2.0 liter Camaro. Got everything tightened back up. Looks good down there, just a straight pipe down. Everything's good. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a cold start and see how it sounds, then we'll go take it for a drive. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so we have finally got the downpipe installed and now we are out on the road to do a road test. So my first impressions are I actually really like it. It's definitely louder than the stock, obviously. Basically, the exhaust sounds like the stock exhaust, just a louder version of it, which is totally cool with me because I actually really like the stock exhaust on the 2.0 liter Camaro. I think it sounds phenomenal. So basically, that's fine. As far as the actual downpipe, you can for sure hear the turbo spooling a lot louder. It's definitely louder, especially when you really like get on the gas. It's a lot deeper. It's a lot throatier. It sounds really, really good. So I'm very impressed. I'm very happy with it so far. And you know, obviously, I think paired with a tune, with the downpipe and the intake, I think we can probably do pretty good power out of this car. So we'll see if we can't get it tuned, maybe in the next couple weeks, and maybe make a video on that. But so far, I'm very impressed with the downpipe, and I obviously love the silicone intake tube that we did about a week ago. And you know, obviously, my check engine light came on, which is something I expected. I'm not too concerned about it. I know exactly what it is. Obviously, I would prefer not to have a check engine light, but it's just part of it. It's part of modding your car. You're gonna, you know, I took the cat out, so, you know, the car doesn't like that. So, it really is what it is at this point. Not too concerned about it. I wouldn't, if you're planning to do this mod, obviously, if your check engine light comes on, which it will, that's why. So, not too concerned, just kind of take it for what it is and move on. Alright guys, so I think that is going to conclude today's video. I do want to give a huge shout out to ZZ Performance. Guys over there are super cool, super supportive guys, and I absolutely recommend them if you are looking to modify your LTG motor, either for the Cadillac or for the Camaro. They know what they're doing, and they will definitely hook you guys up. I'll put their contact information and links in the description, so definitely check them out. They sent me a couple of these stickers, so I think I'm gonna put it on the side window. I think I'll go with the little one here, and we'll definitely rep them, give them some love, and like I said, check them out. Link will be in the description. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Have a good day.
Saying that it feels right.